As you can see, this new Z-Series drone has beautiful design. Let's see how it works. Arm handle buckle 1 second to lock. Double inlets, convenient operation on both sides. Large opening, smoother pouring. The higher front than the back. Easier to replace the battery. Snap-on cover, quick disassembly and repair. Z-fold structure, minimum the folded size. F new assembled drone solution, bring you a better experience. New design Z-Series assembly drone, matching with large flow double impeller pumps. Precision floater, real-time monitor. Separate detection of liquid medicine and sensor. Achieve precise control. Water cooling centrifugal nozzle. Cool down the motor timely, more durable. 5500 fine atomization. Reach 16 liters per minute flow rate. Effective spray width 4 to 8 meters. Easy transport, newly upgraded buckle structure with locking sensors. Convenient and firm, secure and reliable. Enlarged double inlets, more smooth pouring. Less splashing. The higher front than the back. Less wind drag. More comfort for replacing battery. Much smarter, much assurance. The higher precision weighing module shows the reminder in real time. Atomized droplets with extended coverage. Bring you better spraying service. Integrated tank. Spraying and spreading one-step switching. Widely used in various spreading scenarios. The whole drone achieves waterproof IP67. Easily cope with various harsh working environments. In 2022, EFT has launched some practical accessories to make the drone spreading system more precise and efficient. Let me show you what they are. Number 1 millimeter wave empty module and weighing module. They can calibrate weight, tear, flow, and save seeds. Fertilizers and other granule, making sowing more precise and controllable. Number 2 arched crossbar. The drone legs with arched crossbars, it can avoid granule strike bars and expand granules spraying space scientifically. These drone leg parts are mainly suitable for G616 and G630. Number 3 integrated adapter cable, can rapid switch the spraying and spreading functions. Simple installation, very convenient. Highly improving agricultural production efficiency. Number 4 spreader brim. The special anti-splash brim of the spreader can prevent small granules from splashing to damage the paddles and make the spreading more intensively and evenly. Welcome to Follow F to get more information. How to use agriculture drone. Best-selling agriculture drone in Southeast Asia, durable and practical and cheap. Classic EP 10 liters and 16 liters agricultural drone frame. Precise spreading of fertilizers, fast and efficient. Flight stability and easy operation. Hot selling in Korea, Japan, Southeast Asia. Cheap EFT agricultural drone frame, precise and efficient spraying. Agriculture spraying drone. Bratting M-Pass. 6 liters full removable tank. Release pressure lock to avoid air in water pipes. Maximum transmission distance 8 kilometers. Spraying width 5 meters. Autonomous spraying with Android mobile app. G20 double tanks, large capacity, spray efficiency and simple.